Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Evangelina's Craft. Today, I would like to share a simple DIYs that I made for Halloween. Some were purchased. Most of my DIYs were purchased from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, here is the board witch that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just painted it with black and green for the witch face. And what I did here is I placed some lights at the back. They are green lights, and I'll show you in a while how the lights will look great on this piece of witch board. Okay, I got this one. Then I have another board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just painted it black. And what I wanted to do with this design is I have here a vase from the Dollar Tree, and I painted it black, and I put some web cloth there. And I also got this glass, like a wine glass, but it's pretty thick, and I painted it black. And what I intend to do is I'm just gonna stand it this way and put this one that way, and put my bat this way here. So it's just gonna be that way. Okay. I will show you everything once it's already displayed, but that's the idea on these items. And then I also have made this mommy. This is a gingerbread wood board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have this piece of like foam, thin foam at work that is used for trash. I mean, it's part of the box where we get the materials out of the box, and I just saved it, and I put an eyeball one here, and I just wrapped it around. So that's my mommy. Okay. And another board from the Dollar Tree is this one. I just painted it trick or treat, and painted it with orange and white here, and just the same. I'm not gonna put any light here because the lights reflected in the witch will cover this one. So this base, I had it made custom made to my husband because he's into also carpentry, so I requested him to do that one for me. And another DIY that I have is this wood board that I got from the Dollar Tree. I painted it white. That will be part of my display. And I have also here a wood board, a coffin wood board that says trick or treat, and I also put some lights on here. I will show you in a little while how the effect will go. That's one. And I have another wood board from the Dollar Tree, and this is the coffin with pumpkin faces, and at the same I put lights at the back of it so it will give reflection in the dark. And the last one, no, I have also here a candelabra. This is in glass, and I spray painted it with black. I'm gonna put some candles in there, and also this one. I got two of those there, and I just painted it black. Okay, spray painted it with black. And the last DIY that I made is this one. Okay. This is also a crossboard that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And okay, let me just set aside some of this one over here. There. And there's two of them. I placed. This is how it looks like, guys. Okay, I hope you can see it. That's the wood board. I painted it black in the shape of a what do you call this? Like in the cemetery. I forgot the name, but and then what I did is I placed some a bag here and some black vines and some Halloween flowers with an eyeball from the Dollar Tree, and I also put lights inside of it. So I'm gonna show you how the lights will turn out. Okay. Okay, I'm back now. I turned off the light so that you could see the effect of the DIYs that I made with when I put the LED light. So if I turn this on now over here, there, that's how the pumpkin will come out during the dark. Okay, that's one over there. Okay, and then same thing over here with the trick or treat. When I turn this on, I turn on the light here. There, it will give you a effect of the trick or treat. Okay. Maybe I should turn one off here so that you could see the other one there. So that's how the effect is gonna look like, guys. This isn't pretty. Okay, so that's one. And then I have the witch. Let me just turn this off so that you could see it. Sorry for the blackness. I know you can't see anything, but I wanted to show you the effect. And the next one here is the witch, and we'll just sort of turn this on, and that's how the effect of the witch is gonna look like. It has a background light at the back during nighttime, and it's really pretty. Okay. And then another one, I also have bought some items from the Dollar General, and I just sort of put the eyeball here. This is from the Dollar Tree, so it also has a light there, and when I open it, it's gonna be this way. See, I got two of those, and it blinks like that. Isn't it nice? Okay, that's one there, and another have a one over here. There, that turns out nice. Okay, that's pretty. And now the last one that I put lights on, let me just turn this off, is this one, the witch. I mean the cross. And I also place lights here, and this is how it will look like during nighttime. There. Can't see it well, but and I just have put the lights on there for the effect. So that's it. Okay. Let me show you. That's how it looks like at nighttime when you try to turn on the lights. And I will also show you some decors that no DIYs. I just bought it from the Dollar General. I wanted to show you, if I put the lights here on this jar, just put those lights there, and this is how the jar is gonna look. The effect of the jar is gonna look at night. Okay, there. Just wanted you to show. It's not doing much, but that's how it's gonna look. And now I forgot to tell you guys that I also bought something from the Dollar Tree. This one. And when you put lights in there, just put those lights there and put it this way. This is how it's gonna look. See how pretty it is? It's just a container with the black lid on, and that's just how it's gonna look like at night when you put the lights. So maybe I can turn on the lights and you can see what I meant about it there. Okay, very, very pretty. So that's gonna be part of my decor. The items that I bought without doing any DIY is from the Dollar General. I bought this one. This is it says eat, drink, and be scary. It's a sort of a easel that you can, I bought this for $5. You can just put it out and stand it that way, see, like that. So that will be part of my Halloween decor. And I got 2 pumpkins. This is $3 a piece, and for $3 it's already reasonable, because you got a pumpkin and you have a floor decor, and and for you to be able to do this kind of thing, this is already reasonable for $3. So I bought 2 of those. There you go, 2 of those. Okay. And I bought this mason jar for $2. I think it's gonna be nice if you put lights inside on this one. I think it's gonna give you a good effect. Maybe I have not tried, but I will do that. And the last piece I bought from the Dollar General is this skull bone skeleton, but it's a stand. Oops. It's a stand, and you stand it that way, okay? And it has it's very it has its feather scarf over there. There, that's it. So these are all the things that I will be placing on my Halloween decor this year, and I will show you how it turned out. Here is the final reveal of my 2021 Halloween decor corner at home. So these are the DIYs that I made, and some Halloween decors that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the Dollar General. So I'm just gonna show you. There's this one here. There you are, guys. I hope you like my Halloween decor this year. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, please leave a comment, and it will mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel. Bye for now, and see you again soon.